Distinguished colleagues, today I stand before you in this hallowed chamber, marking my transition from my role as a senator. I'm overwhelmed with mixed emotion, gratitude, and pride. The Senate, a place where individuals with diverse ideology come together to share ideas and find common ground. It is a home of wisdom, passion, patriotism. Allow me to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Senate President, the Uncommon Senate President, His Excellency Godswill Akpabio. Your leadership has been remarkable. To the Deputy Senate President, Senator Barau Jibrin, your wisdom and presence have been guiding force. I also want to acknowledge all my distinguished colleagues in this Senate for their friendship, support, shared commitment to our great nation. A special mention goes to my father, leader, dependable Senator Adams Oshomole. Being from the same state, we share a bond that goes beyond politics. I know I can always count on you for advice as I take on my new responsibility. May God bless the Senate. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.